When someone's been harmed in an automobile accident, the law allows them to get compensation in the amount or equal to the amount of harm that they've suffered. Perhaps the most simple way to look at it is in the past, you might have medical bills. Well, the medical bills in the past are something you're entitled to get recovery from. When you miss time from work from an automobile accident, you may be entitled to a percentage of your wage loss depending upon how your wage loss is calculated. So don't think that while you're out of work that you're not going to be able to get any compensation. You may. You're entitled to what's called human damages. That is the pain, the suffering, the disability, the mental anguish that you've gone through. Now that is an intangible number. It's not a black and white number. It's a number that can only be conveyed through an experienced trial attorney that understands the nature and extent of how an injury such as yours has an impact on you. And finally, there are these rare occasions when somebody's behavior is so egregious, so reckless, that the law allows what's called punitive damages. Punitive damages are the type of law that allow you to punish the wrongdoer. And that compensation is over and above the earlier compensation that I've talked about in terms of pain and suffering, mental anguish, and your medical bills. One of the things that can happen in an automobile accident is that you have an injury and you get medical treatment and then you think you've plateaued or you've gotten better. But in reality, a year or two down the road, your disc in your back or your neck gets worse. And you go to the doctor and the doctor looks at you and says, look, we're going to have to do surgery again. And we know that that surgery is going to cost a lot of money. Well, at David and Philpott, what we do is we look early on to see what's going to happen down the road for our clients. So we'll hire trained professionals. They're called life care planners. They go in, they speak to the doctors, they speak to the nurses, they speak to the therapists, and they figure out in money damages how much money it's going to take over your lifetime to compensate you so that you don't have to come out of pocket to pay for your medical bills.